Welcome to this step-by-step guide on verifying your identity using Persona. At skill and depth, data validity is crucial, and full access to our platform is granted only to users who successfully verify their accounts. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's walk through each step together to ensure your identity is verified smoothly. The first step in the process is to navigate to the skill and depth platform. This is the starting point for verifying your identity. Make sure you're in a comfortable setting with a reliable internet connection, as you'll need to follow a few simple steps from here to complete the process. Once you're on the platform, you'll be greeted with an important message about the verification process. Identity verification through Persona involves checking your government-issued ID and a selfie to ensure everything matches. This process is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your account, so please take a moment to read and understand the message. You'll need your ID and a device with a camera. Either a laptop or mobile phone will work. After you've read the introductory message and gathered your materials, it's time to get started. Click on the Start Verification Process button. After starting the process, you'll be prompted to click the Go to Persona button. If you prefer to switch devices, you'll see a QR code that allows you to move from your computer to your mobile phone, or vice versa. But for now, we'll proceed on the device you're using. Navigate to the next step by clicking Go to Persona button. On the Persona page, you'll be greeted with a welcome message. Please take the time to read it fully to understand the process. Once you've read the welcome message and are ready to proceed, click on the Begin Verifying button to move forward. At this point, you'll need to select the country where your government-issued ID was issued. This ensures that Persona knows which types of IDs to expect. After making your selection, click Select to continue to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of ID you want to use for verification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or another form of identification. Select the ID that you have on hand, and then click on Driver License, or the applicable ID type, to move forward. Now, it's time to upload an image of your ID. If you already have a photo saved, you can upload it directly. If not, you can take a new picture using the camera on your device. Make sure the image is clear and all the details on your ID are visible. Remember, if at any point you need to switch devices, maybe your phone has a better camera, or you need to move from your computer to your mobile, Persona makes this easy. You can pick up right where you left off on another device without starting over. If you're happy with the photo you provided, click Use this photo to confirm your selection. Now comes the part where you verify your identity with a selfie. Position yourself in front of the camera, making sure your face is centered. You may be asked to move your head slightly to the left and right. When you're ready, click on Get Started to begin the selfie capture. This step helps ensure that you are who you say you are by comparing your live image to the photo on your ID. Great job! Once all the information has been submitted and verified, you'll see a Done button. Click it to finish the process. If everything matches up correctly, you're all set. Persona will notify skill and depth of the successful verification. If any issues arise, such as a mismatch or suspected fraudulent activity, Persona will alert skill and depth, and you'll receive a message with further instructions. You have successfully completed the identity verification process using Persona, confirming your identity to enhance trust and credibility. For further security, consider reviewing your verified profile or exploring additional account protection features.